Chief Meteorologist Mike Haddad with your Storm Watch 9 forecast.
Tough to complain about the weather since last Thursday. Sunshine, pleasantly warm air, the humidity nice and low, but that is about to change. Right now downtown, blue skies, few low and fair weather clouds, but outside of that, it is bright and pleasantly warm, 84 at 6 o'clock at the airport, dew point 53. That dew point, kind of an indication of moisture builds up tomorrow. Speaking of moisture, impact weather in the form of rain, some of it on the heavy side, pre-dawn hours of Wednesday morning through early on Thursday, posing a flash flood risk, especially the farther south that you do go. Why? We could see over 2, even 3+ inches of rain during about 24 to 36 hours, especially the farther south that you do go. Right now, scattering of downpours through the Great North Woods, ready to dissipate in the coming hours. Not a whole lot upstream. Those showers are kind of weakening there in the upper valley. Not much happening. Merrimack Valley all the way to Laconia, Rochester, Portsmouth, and Hampton, all in the clear for this evening. Not so clear off to our west. Here's that storm cranking out through the Great Lakes. Bands of showers and storms led to severe weather, portions of Ohio through eastern Illinois. And that's going to move to our south overnight tonight, but the entire storm tracks in our direction with that rain by midweek. So for now, it's on the warm side. 70s in many spots, Rochester towards the coastline and far north, and also in Lebanon due to that recent sprinkle. 80 or higher elsewhere. Humidity, not all that bad right now, but it ramps up tomorrow through Wednesday and Thursday, even through the tail end of the week. So the humidity will be noticeable by tomorrow through Friday, even on Saturday. So for tonight, patchy valley fog after the midnight hour, fair skies on average after an early evening downpour to the north. Tomorrow, clouds early, some patchy fog, then developing partial sun. Notice the timestamp here. Anytime after 1 or 2 p.m. through the evening, there could be a downpour or non-severe thunderstorm. So just be aware of that concern tomorrow afternoon. Beyond then, the focus is on Wednesday morning. Look at this train of tropical-like rain building in from the south. Still a bit of a question mark as to whether this axis of heavy rain will be right over far southern New Hampshire or a little bit farther north, like this computer model dictates. But some of the rainfall tallies in some of our computer models indicate a potential of over 3 inches of rain. So we're going to be watching out for that and that flood risk. Thursday, lingering downpours for some. Friday on, not as wet, but still a bit unsettled. The weekend looks okay. Sun, clouds, and just a lower chance of a thundershower.